If Klover isn't sending your two-factor authentication code, the problem is usually related to your phone number, email delivery, network connection, or a temporary delay in the verification system. By the end of this video, you'll know how to get the verification code, what to check before requesting another one, and when it's time to contact Klover support. If you're waiting for a verification code, don't tap the resend button repeatedly. Sending multiple requests in a short period can invalidate earlier codes or trigger temporary security delays. Wait for the current request to finish before trying again. Next, confirm that you're using the same phone number or email address linked to your Klover account. If you're expecting a text message, make sure your device has a cellular signal and can receive SMS messages. If you're expecting an email, check your inbox along with your spam, junk, and promotions folders. Now verify that your internet connection is stable. Even though text messages don't require Wi-Fi, the app still needs an active connection to request the verification code from Klover's servers. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can help determine whether the problem is related to your network. It's also worth restarting your phone. A restart refreshes your device's network connection and can resolve temporary issues that prevent verification messages from arriving. If you're using an email-based verification code, confirm that you entered the correct email address when signing in. A small typing mistake can send the code to a different inbox or prevent it from being delivered altogether. Next, update the Klover app through your device's app store. Running the latest version helps eliminate bugs that may interfere with the login or verification process. After updating, close the app completely, reopen it, and request a new verification code. If the code still doesn't arrive, the issue may be related to a temporary service problem or an account-specific security review. In that case, contact Klover support through the official support channel. Include your account email or phone number. Explain whether you're waiting for a text message or email code, and attach screenshots of any error messages you receive. That gives the support team enough information to investigate without unnecessary delays. To recap, avoid requesting multiple codes too quickly, verify your contact information, check your network connection, update the app, and contact Klover support if the verification code never arrives. Those steps resolve most two-factor authentication problems, or help identify the cause more quickly. If this guide helped, like the video, and subscribe for more Klover troubleshooting tips, account fixes, and app tutorials.